FutureMakers. Welcome to TeacherPreneur. Life as a teacher begins the day you realize that you were always a learner. Teaching is a profession that creates all other professions, and as a teacher, you have to constantly and continually equip yourself personally as well as professionally to make the best out of both worlds. We've already made a lot of videos about personal development of teachers, but in today's video, we're going to discuss the what, why and how of professional development for teachers. Today's video is in partnership with Canva for Education. Canva for Education is a completely free all the Canva Pro features especially designed for K-12 schools and educators. I'll talk more about it in the latter part of the video, and today I also have a secret announcement to make at the end of the video. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and without wasting time, just let's get started. What is professional development? Professional development is continuing education and career training after you've entered the profession. It is as good as continuous learning to earn or maintain the professional credentials. With professional development, you can unleash the learner within you so that you can be updated with the fast changing times of today. Now that you have an idea about what is professional development, let's jump to why should we do professional development. For that, let's take example of a tree. As seasons keep changing, for the tree to survive or grow bigger, it has to have strong roots. It also has to sometimes grow new leaves and also shed the old leaves so that it can be better and bigger. In the same manner, we as teachers need to relearn and brush up our basics so that we have stronger roots, unlearn what's out of time and learn what's new so that we are updated with this fast changing world. Professional development is necessary to hold on the power and authority of your knowledge and not let it take over you. Hence, you must do professional development. Now that you know why professional development is so important, let's dive into how can you professionally equip yourself. The first and the most easiest thing that you could do to professionally equip yourself is to read. Read a lot of books, both academic as well as non-academic. Read articles published in journals, both online and offline. Read anything that's pertaining to your field. You could also read newspapers to keep yourself equipped with what's happening in the education sector in today's world. What you read, it's totally up to you. But if you keep on reading, you'll always keep on learning new things. And if you learn new things, you'll share it with the class. And the class will enjoy this process of reading and it will help them in the longer run. If you're a kindergarten teacher, you could read new storybooks and share it with your class. If you're a maths teacher, you could read articles about how maths can be applied to real life and make it interesting for students as well as for yourself. If you have fun reading, your students will have fun throughout the learning process. So make sure you read and make it a daily habit. The next tip that I would like to give you for professional development is to work on your teaching aids. Teaching is not an easy job, but not preparing for your lecture makes it even more difficult. Be it online education or offline education, our teaching aids need to be very colorful and interactive so that the kids have fun while learning. Canva for Education is an amazing platform where all the teachers and educators can come and create amazing resources to make the teaching learning even more interactive and engaging. Once you log on to Canva for Education, you have to sign up for free by uploading either your education certificate or school appointment letter and you're good to go. With Canva for Education, you can design your assessment papers, worksheets, activity sheets, presentations and many more things in just a few minutes, that too for free. But you might ask me, why would I choose Canva while I have traditional ways to do all of this? Let me tell you that studies have shown that if you use non-conventional ways to teach the class, the student interaction rates increase to a large extent and there is effective learning. I would highly suggest Canva for Education because I've been using it for some time now and I really love the application. With platforms like Canva, teachers can actually unleash their creative side and make amazing resources for the students. The next thing that I would suggest all the teachers for professional development is to build connections. Building a strong professional network is as important as having a personal circle of friends and family. Find people with similar education and professional backgrounds and you'll get to learn from all of them. The more you connect, the more you learn. I strongly suggest platforms like Quora and LinkedIn, and also Canva for Education has a Facebook group where all such educators and teachers like you and me share useful information on the go. Also coming to the secret announcement that I wanted to tell you all about. I'm gonna come live in the Facebook group of Canva for Education and tell you all about how you can use Canva for Education effectively to create amazing teaching resources. Do join Canva for Education's Facebook group so that you get access to all such value bombs and that too at no cost. Link is in the description box below, so make sure you join the group so that you are a part of the live that I'm going to conduct very soon on the group. The next way to equip yourself professionally is to enroll into courses. With the onset of pandemic, we now realize that chalk and talk is not the only way where we can teach and learn. Digital online coaching is the new world where teachers are. Every other teacher is using her innovative and creative ideas to develop her own course, and people are benefiting out of it and making a lot of money. When you enroll yourself in the course, doesn't matter whether it gives you a certificate or not, but one thing I can assure that if the mentor is proper and you trust that mentor, you'll definitely be able to grow in life. मेरे दादाजी कहते थे कि कुछ भी सीखा हुआ कभी भी वेस्ट नहीं जाता. So if you make a conscious effort in learning something new and enrolling yourself into good courses, it will definitely help you to grow personally as well as professionally. Learn from the courses and bring innovation in your classroom, because in that manner, kids would love to be in your class. With exponentially growing technology in this fast-paced world, you could learn anything and everything with just a click. YouTube or internet के ज़माने में, if you want to learn anything, you just have to search for it and there will be a lot of options to choose from. Ensure that you're learning from an authentic and trustworthy person, and each person will have something or the other to offer to you. Take the best out of that person and make the most out of it. That is the actual way how you use technology to leverage your growth. Thank you for watching the whole video. At the end, I would only like to tell you, once a teacher, always a learner. So if you have to be a great teacher, you have to be a learner continuously. Developing yourself both personally and professionally will help you with a growth mindset, a great work-life balance, and hence a successful career. Summer holidays are going up and the new academic year will start very soon. Why not use this space to develop yourself both professionally and personally? I hope you'll use this break wisely and develop yourself. Don't forget to check out Canva for Education. The link for the same is in the description box below, and also participate in our Facebook Live, which we'll be doing very soon, so that you can learn all the cool stuff that you can do with Canva for Education. Canva for Education is compatible with both cell phone as well as PC. Feel free to explore the world of Canva, and if you make any teaching resource using Canva, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at teacherpreneur.in, and I'll definitely repost this because I'll be very happy to see all your creative creations. So that's it for today's video. Do hit the like button if you liked today's video. Comment and tell us how was your experience creating resources with Canva. Share this video with your teacher friends and family, and subscribe to TeacherPreneur for more such videos. See you soon.